as we have shown in the illustration. And for each fee, start adding all the commission invoices by subtracting the credit note, and you can add the debit note. So on your commission invoice, you will subtract your credit notes and you will add your debit notes. So for example, let's take shipping fees as an example here. When you open your commission invoice, credit and debit note for the last month, add shipping fees entry in each of the commission invoices and debit notes, and subtract them against the shipping fees entry from credit notes. So we'll see. Then you go to the transaction detail reports. You will have to put a filter on shipping fees and reverse shipping fees. So this will help you in tallying up all your shipping fees. For example, so whichever fees that you want to tally, you will select that filter and you can tally that fees against your commission invoice. Now you can reconcile the bank statement with my order list also. You can go to your payments page and you can check out all the previous payments as I've shown you earlier, and you can tally that with your bank account details. So how will you reconcile with your bank statement? You go to previous statement payments report under payments drop down menu, and then you'll be able to find the list of months and corresponding NEFTs as you can see on the screenshot here. Once you select the month in the panel, you can download your bank statement for the same month and then compare the each against line item in the panel and see if the amount given in Flipkart portal and blank and your bank statement matches or not. Now let's come down to payment settlement policy. So here's the payment settlement cycle. For gold level seller, it is 7 days excluding Sundays. For silver level seller, it is 10 days, which is again excluding Sunday. And for bronze level seller, it is 15 days excluding Sunday. But please make sure after this payment happens after the product has been dispatched. Then only your payment cycle starts. So I hope this is pretty much clear to all. So now we'll start with our question and answer round. We have our experts Prajesh and Rahmat who would be addressing your queries. If you have any questions regarding payments, I would request you to please post your questions in the Q&A box. We will start with our question and answer round soon. Before we move ahead, I would like to understand how would you like to rate today's presentation? Your feedback is very important for us. This will help us understand how we can make this experience even better for you. So I'm launching a poll and I would request all the attendees to please address this poll and update us with your responses. Requesting all the attendees to please share your feedback and post this poll. We will start with our question and answer round. So if you have any doubts, please post your questions in the Q&A box and we'll start with our Q&A round soon.